Hello everyone, today we're on the Point Stars and we have the nice promotion code that's a SWAT, and you can use that and you can get so well balanced, and you can use like this and you can activate code and you can get that's my code, and that's going to crash and you're not getting crashed, that's no problem. Let's try this impact guys, and I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open that as a fucking nice code, and I'm gonna sell all of them. Let's try the 5 more time. We got the free spin, great drop, and maybe we can hit something well. Nice. And I'm gonna sell this. We are in the top drop. That's what. Maybe we can hit nice something again. Boom, 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 boom. Phantom Disruptor, and that's awesome, boys. That's awesome. I'm gonna sell this, and we are in the here, like that, like that. That's well. That's well for the channel, and that's well for the video. That's well for the everything, and King's Move. What is that? I think that's a well case. We can hit something well from this case. Oh, that's so far. That's so far. Oh, no one is getting something well. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. We got the ice gold. Let's sell that. Open it again. Open that again. Okay, open that again. Open this one. Can it something well item. We need to trade drop from this case. I'm gonna sell this one. Okay, let's quick stop. Okay, that's so cheap case, guys. Oh, we got a free trade drop. We need to do something well. Oh, that's not a well. $2. Give me something well. No, you can't do that, I know. Yo, we got a free trade drop again. That's well. Sell that. Sell this one. And open this one again. That's going a little bit well. What is that? Again, we're getting the free raid drop. You're kidding me, I think. You're kidding me, I think. You're kidding me, I think. And we're getting the free raid drop again. I know, you're kidding me. Let's try that. Yo, we got this so well, something. Look at this, we are here. Okay, we're getting the raid drop. Limit control as well. And the profit for this one. Let's have knife. That's the fucking so well knife. And let's try that. Load, please, load. Oh, we got the free spin. Please give me something. Please give me something. That's not so bad. Okay, that's the last opening on the video, boys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Okay, that's a profit. That's the profit. And the SWAT code on the point stars, and come to the Discord. Boom.